Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have for you today. Open Heavens Devotional for Friday, 6th of January 2023. And our topic is prayers for the new year 2023. Our text is taken from Isaiah 43, verse 16 to 20. And our memory verse is taken from Psalm 65, verse 11, which reads, Thou crownest the year with thy goodness, and thy paths drop fatness. Would you be kind enough to repeat these prayer points after me? Father, thank you for bringing me into the year 2023. I surrender all that concerns me into your mighty hands this year. Lord, don't let me lose any of my loved ones this year. Please keep and protect everyone connected to me by your power in Jesus' name. Father, please use me for your glory this year more than ever before in Jesus' name. Lord, any evil that may have been programmed into this year, please take them far away from my loved ones and from me. Father, please this year open my ears to hear you clearly at all times. Father, let me grow closer to you and let your presence be with me at all times. Lord, please breathe on my finances. I will not spend money on ailments, court cases, funerals, and the likes in Jesus' name. Father, please open great doors for me this year. Let all my efforts yield great results in Jesus' name. Year 2023, I decree that you will favor me. All things will work for my good this year in Jesus' name. Now, add your personal prayer request for the year 2023. The Open Heavens Daily Devotional is written by Pastor E.A. Adeboye, who is the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, and was presented to you by Lauru Favor. Thank you so much guys for staying with us to the very end of today's video. We're glad you were here with us. Please keep a date with us by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. And do not forget to follow us also on TikTok at Lauru_favor1. And do not forget to like our videos across the social media platforms, and of course share it on your social media platforms so your friends and family could be part of this amazing family with you as well. So we'll come your way again with another amazing video. This is still Favors Blog.